150 push-up challenge. Oh, cool. All right. So, if you're looking back on this later, you can join with me. Or for those who are wanting to join in for a 150 push-up challenge. Isaiah, drop down. Let's go. Aaliyah, come on. Push-up challenge today. 150 push-ups. It's actually quite simple. We're only doing 5 sets of 10. So it's 5 different push-ups, but 10 of each. So you're doing 150. So we got 5 different types of push-up. The first one's going to be a basic push-up. Hands want to be in check position when you do your push-up, so your elbows are back and not out wide. Okay, and in the second one here, we'll turn and go palms up, then out wide. We'll get to it. So let's go ahead and start down. We'll do the first 5, and then you can jump in. Wait for a few people. I'm gonna come on in. Let's go. Push-up challenge, 150 push-ups. Paige, drop down. Let's go. Push-ups, 150 push-ups. 3 sets of 5 different types of push-ups, 10 each. Pause due to poor connection. Okay. All right. Push-up position. Everybody down. Find your spot, and let's get started. Facebook, if you joined in or you're looking back, drop down. Make sure you do them. Comment later. Instagram, make sure you comment later. Let's get down. First push-up. First push-up is a basic chest press push-up. You want to make sure you got your checks in hand, just like this. And when you got your Nike signs of your checks, you know you're good. So from there, keep our elbows in and back, and we'll go for our first 10 push-ups. 10 push-ups. 10. Go, go, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Next push-up. Let's go wide. We'll go out to the side. Archer push-up. So fingers are out to the sides, and you're gonna go from side to side. You can drop your knees down, which is fine. But here, go to my left, go to my right. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, excuse me. There's 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Cool. From there, let's go to pike push-ups. So our hands are in our push-up position. Let's push up and back into a down dog. And from here, you'll drop down. Nose between your thumbs. As you go down, butt high, pike push-up for the shoulders and chest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Remember, just 10 of each, 5 different types of push-ups, 10 each, 150 total. If you're just starting in, drop down. Come on, Max, let's go. Everybody drop down. This is 150 push-up challenge. If you clicked in, you're challenged to do it. So do your push-ups, and let's go. Let's keep going on. So we've done 3 so far. Next one we've got is a head-to-hand push-up or skull crusher push-up. Basically, you're a forearm position and push straight up from there. Okay, your hands are like a crown because you want your elbows down, not like a triangle, elbows out, okay? Crown, think crown, elbows in. Drop down, head to your hands, push up. To make it harder, don't drop your elbows. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and for our last one, uppercut push-ups or planche push-ups, however you'd like to do them. If you want to do it with your palms down, or you can do it from your knuckles if you're on your carpet, thumbs out. The point of this one is that our elbows are staying in, like our uppercut push-ups. Like our uppercuts and body hooks in boxing. So keep your elbows in, punch from the stomach, punch out uppercut push-ups. Let's go for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lean forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not so bad, right? Pretty easy. So that's our first set We did 50 push-ups so far. Let's do it again. 2 more sets. Drop down if you're just joining in. You got 100 push-ups with us to do. Sam, come on down. Max, hope you're there. Wait 1 sec. Isaiah, get him in. Paige, come on. I got 3 with me here, 5 with me here. Nice. All right, so let's do it again. Our basic chest press push-ups. When you're doing your chest press push-ups, make sure you have your checks in hand. That keeps your elbows in line, so you're not going like this on your push-ups. Keep your elbows in, your lats engaged, your triceps engaged, your biceps, that everything's working. And we have the good shape that we want when we're done. Let's go. Checks in hand, Nike sign, just do it. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Archer push-ups. Fingers, arms out wide to the side. From your knees or from your feet, either is fine. Let's go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then next to pike push-ups, down dog, pressing up and back. Get a stretch here while you're at it. Remember, nose between your thumbs. Try to keep looking down so you're working that upper chest by keeping your neck open and up like that. You'll feel it more in the upper chest. All right. 10. 1, 2, push back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think from there we went into our head to hands, our skull crusher push-up, a forearm plank to push up. And from there, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you got to drop to your knees, that's fine. 6, 7. Maybe now keep your elbows off the ground to really focus in, burn in the forearms and triceps. 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and for our last one, your child's pose in between, palms up, uppercut push-ups. Explode out the wrist if you want, or stretch the wrist and work your planche. I'm gonna do planche now on this one, on this round. And last one for 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, 100 push-ups down, 100 in. Cool. Same people with me. Let's go ahead. Let's get into our last one. And stretch the wrists if you need to. Thumbs down, pinkies up, pinkies down, thumbs up. Crack the knuckles if you like. And our last set, last 50. Let's get them in. Check positions in hand. Elbows in, rotated in. Last 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Explode up, pull the belly in. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Archer push-ups. Out wide to the side. 1, 2, 3. Lean forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I did that wrong. That's 9. That's 10. Pike push-up, starting to feel it now. Push up, back, down dog. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. Keep going, keep going, keep going. 2 more. Forearm plank, maybe you're already there. Keep going, keep going. Head to hand push up. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our uppercut or planche push-ups at the end. Again, whichever you like. Go back to the knuckles. 1. Belly in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's that. Continue to calm the breath, control the heart rate. Find your center. Thank you guys for tuning in for the 150 push-up challenge. Hopefully you made it through. If not, we got something to work on, right? More to work on. It's those push-ups, those 5 different types of push-ups. Maybe you can feel it, work the whole bit of arms, from our forearms and those head to hands, which is our cover, in our self-defense, our elbows. The best self-defense that you can have is just tightening right to your eyebrows. Cover your eyebrows, cover your ears. Perfect defense with the elbows. So those push-ups, head to hand, skull crusher push-ups, uppercut push-ups for those body uppercuts, hooks. Work your planche. Keep working those ones, and those archer push-ups for those long hooks. Overhands, slaps, claws to the face, whatever you need. And yeah, and your regular push-ups, keep those elbows in, chest press push-ups, thumbs up, you got your check marks, you know you're good. Thank you guys for tuning in, fightfearless.com. You can check out more of this. I'm going to post this to the YouTube, and we'll see you guys later. And get 2 weeks free as well, 2 weeks free. If you're still working out with me, get some breath work, work on those breath work things we've got going on. If you need recipes too, I got that as well. See you guys later.